Welcome to Study Point Online. Here we are discussing some important questions of web technology. Our first question is, what is web technology? Given options are A. Collection of tools and techniques used to create and deliver content on the World Wide Web. Option B. A type of software that enables users to access and interact with information on the Internet. Option C. A network of interconnected computers that share information and services. Option D. A system for storing and retrieving information on the Internet. Here, correct answer is option A. A collection of tools and techniques used to create and deliver content on the World Wide Web. See the explanation. Web technology is a term that encompasses the tools, techniques, and standards used to create and deliver content on the World Wide Web. This includes markup languages like HTML and CSS, scripting languages like JavaScript, client-side technologies like HTML5 and CSS3, server-side technologies like PHP and Java, databases, networking protocols, and more. Our next question is, which of the following is not a web component element? Option A, shadow. Option B, menu. Option C, content. Option D, element. Here, correct answer is option B, menu. Menu is not a web component element. So see the explanation. There are web components in HTML related technology which makes it possible to essentially create and use custom elements as if it were regular HTML. You can also create custom versions of standard HTML elements. Some of the elements are shadow, content, element, template, slot, etc. Our next question. Which of the following programming languages is commonly used for server-side scripting in web development? Given options are option A, HTML, option B, CSS, option C, JavaScript, option D, PHP. Here, correct answer is option D, PHP. So, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript play crucial roles in front-end development, focusing on the visual aspects of web pages, while PHP serves as the primary language for server-side scripting. It manages backend tasks such as database interactions, processing user input, and generating dynamic content. Our next question, which HTML tag is used to create a hyperlink? Given options are A, link, B, href, C, A, D, hyperlink. Here, correct answer is option C, A. So the HTML tag A is used to create a hyperlink, which is a link to another web page or resource. The A tag has two main attributes, href and target. The href attribute specifies the URL of the linked resource, while the target attribute specifies whether the link should open in a new browser window or tab. Our next question, which of the following is used to read a HTML page and render it? Given options are A, web server, B, web matrix, C, web browser, D, none of the mentioned. Here correct answer is option C, web browser. So a web browser, commonly referred to as a browser, is a software application